Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the best tools and accessories that make your creative and DIY life easier. In today's video, we're showcasing the best turn buttons on the market. The 300 picture turn button fasteners and screws set in sleek black, perfect for crafts, hanging art, drawings, or assembling photo frames. So why are these considered the best? It comes down to one word: reliability. These turn button fasteners, paired with their dedicated screws, are designed to offer simple, secure mounting for all kinds of picture frames and artwork. Whether you're framing a painting, mounting a drawing, or assembling a gallery wall, this set has the versatility and quantity to support large or frequent projects without the need for multiple trips to the hardware store. Each turn button is made of durable metal with a clean black finish. This gives not only a strong hold but also a professional aesthetic, even when visible from behind the frame. They're lightweight but sturdy, with each one weighing only 0.1 pounds in total, making them ideal for delicate pieces and heavy frames alike. Their screw-in installation means that once they're in place, they'll stay there. No slipping, no fuss. When you're dealing with 300 turn buttons and 300 matching screws, the possibilities open up for both casual DIYers and professional framers. This volume makes it easy to standardize your framing projects or stock up your studio with confidence. No more running out mid-project. Installation is straightforward. Place the turn button over the edge of the backing board or picture, align the hole with the frame, and secure it using one of the included screws. Once installed, just turn the button to lock or release the backing. That's it. No special tools. No learning curve. It's minimal effort for maximum hold. Now let's talk use cases. These fasteners shine when you're working with handmade photo frames, gallery exhibitions, school projects, or even vintage frame restorations. Their low profile makes them unobtrusive, and their rotatable design ensures easy access when you need to change out artwork. Plus, the black finish makes them blend beautifully with darker woods or metal frames. What's more, the Tbestmax brand stands behind its practicality. The parts are consistent in size and finish, helping you get a clean, uniform result across all your projects. And because they come packed together 300 fasteners and 300 screws, you won't have to worry about mismatched components. To wrap this up, if you're serious about picture framing, arts and crafts, or simply want a hassle-free hanging solution that lasts, this 300-piece turn button fastener set is your best bet. It's functional, affordable, and built for creators like you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tools and accessories out there. Until next time, keep creating.